it's me, Vanita. I'm back with another Love My Minis video. This time, of course, we're opening some more Fill the Fridge. And you see my fridge right here. So let's get to opening. All right, let's see what we have today. This is pretty flat, so let's see if it's a magnet or something to go inside the fridge. Let's see. Ah! Oh, this is pretty tiny. Ha ha! A pepperoni. Oh my goodness. Here, let's go ahead and put it on in here. There we go. This can pretty much sit right there. There we go. All right. Now, what is next? Oh, some more Kikkoman. We got some more soy sauce. So let's see. Okay, so the other soy sauce, I must have used it for another video. So, oh, I guess it shouldn't fall down like that. Oh, no. All right. That's okay. We'll make it. We'll make it, friends. Yeah. This might be a moment when I need my tweezers. Okay. So, we got our Kikkoman. We're going to get that out. And I need to try and make this upright. There we go. Oh. All right. It is what it is. We got the Kikkoman. Okay. Let's see. Is this a magnet? No. Ha! Look at it. Fresh fish. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Okay. So here, putting the fresh fish in here. Oh goodness. Hold on. Let's see. Because we got our meats. So you go alongside the meats. There we go. And the next one is, oh, the magnet. Magnet. Oh my goodness. Okay. There we go. And now we've had some leftovers from Pizza Hut before. Here we have a big box with some leftovers. Let's see what leftovers we have. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh. Look. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Some leftover. I think is this chicken? Okay. We got some leftover sticks. Someone took a slice from each of the little square pizzas. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay. So let's see. All right. This is where I need my other shelves, which I don't know what happened to them. But it's going to be all right. There we go. Now, let's see which one this is. Okay, some more turmeric. Another turmeric shot. Because you got to refill after you done had your turmeric shot. There we go. And this one is some more sushi. Okay, so now we have 2 sushis. There's one in the fridge. And another one that I can use, outside the pack for, I don't know, like dioramas or something. So it'll work. Oh my goodness. Now, I know it was a quick video, but I hope you had fun. Here. Ha! Ah! Oh my goodness. Oh, oops. We dropped our leftovers. Maybe the leftovers should go down here. There we go. Along with another turmeric shot. Look at it. Ha ha! I hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from Love My Minis. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.